مرحبا, كيف الحال? Welcome to Qasid Survivor Arabic Series, Video 5. In this video, you'll be learning more about currencies, especially in Jordan, how to say them in Arabic. We're also going to be learning how to use numbers and nouns generally, particularly with currencies, because you're going to need that in your shopping and paying your bills and things like that. And of course, as usual, we'll be ending up with a dialogue to see how these phrases are used in a daily conversation. So let's get started. So the currency that we use here in Jordan is called dinar. That is 1 JD. In plural, that is denanir. Some people might say lira for a JD. That's in plural, lirat. Okay, you can use whatever you want. Let's say you're American, you have some dollars. So a dollar is dollar. In plural, dolarat. Let's say you're from Europe, so you have some euros, and that is euro. There is no plural word for that because it ends with a long vowel, so it's difficult to put that in a plural form. So it's always euro. In Jordan as well, we have piasters. So 1 piaster, that is irsh. In plural, urush. We have a quarter as well, so that is ruba' dinar. Half a JD would be nus dinar. Now, let's say you're in a context where you need to ask about how much something costs, or just, simply how much does it cost? We usually use the question interrogative قديش. Okay, قديش. That is for how much. Now, generally speaking, when you deal with different types of, currencies in here, sometimes you need to exchange some currencies. Now, whenever you see this sign that says صرافة, you know that this place is a place where you can exchange some currencies. It is also important that you know your currencies really well. I know that for traveling, it can be really confusing the first few days to get to know, okay, so which one is the 5 piastres, which one is the 10 piastres. So let's just have a look at the different types of bills and coins you will find here in Jordan. So this is dinar, 1 JD. This is خمس دنانير, that's 5 JDs. 10 JDs, 10 دنانير. This is 20 dinar, that's 20 JDs. 50 dinar, that is 50. For coins, we have 5 piastres, so 5 قروش. We have 10 piastres, 10 قروش. And we have ربع dinar, as we said, half a JD is nus dinar. Now let's move on and talk about how you would generally use numbers and nouns in Arabic. Now for number 1, usually people tend not to use the actual number 1, when they refer to something singular. But if you're using that, make sure that the wahad or wahde, that's the feminine version, it always follows the noun. So 1 JD is technically dinar wahad, okay? 1 class, for example, that is صف واحد. 1 female teacher, أستاذة واحدة, so on and so forth. We have the dual system in Arabic. So by adding the suffix ain after any singular word, you will have 2 of that word. So let's say, for example, you have 2 JDs. That would be dinarain, $2, دولارين, okay? So on and so forth. Now, numbers starting from 3, ثلاثة, up until 10, عشرة, this group basically have the noun coming after them, and the noun should be in plural. So if you have $10, for example, that would be 10 دولارات or 10 دولارات. Okay, if you have, again, 5 JDs, that would be 5 دنانير, 5 دنانير, so on and so forth. Numbers from 11 up until 100, this group basically needs the singular noun to follow them. So if you're having, let's say, 20 books, okay, the word for book is kitab, that would be 20 kitab, okay? Let's say you have 12 JDs again, that would be 12 dinar. I said 12 dinar. That's not technically the right way to say that, but since it's survival Arabic, let's stick to that. Once you come to Jordan, you will learn, more accurate ways of using the numbers with nouns in general. Now, the last thing we want to talk about, the money topic, is how do Jordanians say the word money? Two words to use for that. People sometimes use flus. Other people might use masari. And you can basically choose, to use any one of these two, no problem. Let's get to the dialogue and see how these rules are applied in daily conversation. يعطيك العافية. بدي رز لو سمحت. قديش الكيلو؟
كيلو ب3 دنانير و15 قرش.
ماشي. وقديش هذه الجبنة؟
كيلو ب6 دنانير ونص.
تمام. بدي ربع كيلو لو سمحت.
إشي تاني؟
لا شكرا. يعطيك العافية.